Ayan, so next tayo for sample problem number 5 natin for simple curve. Ayan, so dito basahin muna natin yung problem natin. A simple curve has a tangents AB and BC intersecting at a common point B. AB has an azimuth of 180 degrees and BC has an azimuth of 230 degrees. The stationing of the point of curvature at A is 10 kilometer and 140.26 meter. If the degree of the curve of the simple curve is 4 degrees, ayan, so pinapahanap sa atin itong tatlo. Ayan, so before natin mahanap yan, so kailangan muna natin i-plot yung simple curve natin. So, merong binigay na azimuth. So, let's say beta 1. Ayan, beta 1 is itong AB, yan, itong 180 degrees. And then beta 2 is ito na lang, BC, which is ito, 230 degrees. And binigay din sa atin yung degree of curve, which is 4 degrees. Ayan, so i-plot muna natin yung simple curve natin. So, dito na lang. So, dito yung A. And then, papunta tayo sa may B. So, 180 degrees yung 180 degrees yung azimuth. So, from south, so pag ganon, sa haba lang natin konti, ganyan. So, 180 degrees, so from south, pag ganyan, so that is the beta 1. Ayan. So, ito yung point B natin. And then, yung papunta sa BC is ito, 230 degrees yung azimuth niya. So, meaning, andito, ganyan. Ito yung BC. So, ito yung beta 2. Yan, beta 2. Beta sub 2. Ayan, so kunin natin yung central angle natin or the angle of intersection. So, yung andito. So, ito yung I. So, dito, di ba, dito, ganyan lang natin dito. So, yung kinukuha natin is ito, yung central angle na I. So, di ba, ito is, this is the beta 1. Ba lang natin konti. Ba natin konti. And then, ito yung sa may BC. Ito, ilagay lang natin dito. So, this is ito yung beta 2. Ayan, beta 2. So, kunin natin yung central angle natin, which is the I. So, para makuha yan, di ba, beta 2 minus beta 1. So, yung central angle natin, that is 50 degrees. So, 50 degrees to. 50 degrees. Ayan, so, i-plot lang natin or i-draw natin yung simple curve natin. Ayan, so, ganyan. Ayan, so, ito, radius. And radius. And then, pinapahanap sa atin is, ito, long chord. So, long chord. So, letter A, long chord is dito, di ba ito? From here, C over 2. C over 2. Ayan lang. Ilagay muna natin yung mga, i-label muna natin. So, binigay, PC. So, station PC may binigay dito na 10 kilometer and 140.26 meter. Station P, ito PT. PT yan. And then, dito is station PI. And then, this is the length of curve. Ayan, yung pag ganon. And then, yan. So, C over 2. So, kunin muna natin yung, ito, long chord. So, letter A. So, C is equal to 2R sine I over 2. So, I over 2. Ito, so, I over 2. So, 50 divided by 2, that is 25 degrees. And then, kunin natin itong radius. So, may binigay na degree of curve which is 4 degrees. So, pwede natin gamitin yung formula na radius is equal to 1145.916 divided by D. So, that is equal siya sa 286.3 decimal places na lang tayo. So, 479 meters. So, yung radius natin is 286.479 meter. Ayan. So, pwede na natin makuha yung chord natin, long chord. So, 2R. So, 286.479 sine pala, sine. So, I over 2, so that is 25 degrees. So, ang long chord natin is equal lang siya sa 242.143 meter. Ayan, so next tangent distance. Ito, so tangent distance, yan. Tangent distance ng A hanggang dito sa may B. So tangent distance is equal to T is equal to R tangent I over 2. So T is equal to 286.479 tangent 25 degrees. So yan is 133.587 meter. Ayan. Ayan. And then letter C, pinapakompute sa atin yung compute the stationing of a point X, ayan, on the curve on which a line passing through the center of the curve makes an angle of 58 degrees with the line AB intersects the curve at X. So 58 degrees. So ito 25 degrees to. So dito sumobra siya konti. So yung station X natin dito is andito. So parang ganyan. Parang ganyan. So, yung angle dito is 58 degrees. Ayan. So, kunin lang natin to. So, letter C. So, parang ganyan. Ito is 58 degrees. And then, ito yung, yan. So, ito yung station X natin. Ayan. So, ito yung B and A. So, PC natin. 10 plus 140.26 and then ito yung LC. So, pinapahanap sa atin yung station X natin. So, pag ganon. So, para makuha yung station X, natanggal. So, ito, station X. So, station X is equal to, so, PC, station sa PC, i-add natin, so, pa-forward yung travel natin, so, i-add natin yung length of curve natin. So, para makuha na natin yung station X natin. So, para makuha yan, so, di ba, kunin muna natin yung central angle natin dito, which is the I. So, para makuha yung I, di ba, ito is 90 degrees, ito. So, I is equal to, ito 90 degrees yan. So, that is 90 degrees minus 58 degrees. So, that is 32 degrees. So, I or the central angle natin dito is 32 degrees. So, makukuha na natin yung station X natin. So, 10 plus 140.26 plus yung formula ng LC natin is, di ba, pi RI divided by 180 degrees is equal to, isa lang natin. So, 10 plus 140.26. Ayan. So, isalpak na lang natin. So, pi, ito times yung radius natin na 286.479 meter. And then, yung I natin dito is, ito yung gamitin natin. Ito, dito, isalpak natin. 32 degrees yung I natin dyan, divided by 180 degrees. So, yung makukuha natin dyan, for station X natin, so, ilagay natin. So, para hindi 0.26 plus pi. So, 286.479 times ito, 32 divided by 180 degrees. So, station X natin is equivalent lang siya sa 10 plus 300.26. So, yung station X natin ay 10 plus 300.26. Ayan. So, pagdating na dito sa may station X, so dito na. So, 10 kilometer and 300.26 meter na yung distance natin dyan. So, yan yung mga sagot natin for sample problem number 5. Ayan. So, I hope naintindihan natin and nakatulong. And if you find this video helpful, you can like and share na rin sa mga friends nyo para makatulong din. Ayan. So, thank you for listening, guys.